Write a dialogue between the students about celebrating a religious festival. Ands. Dialogue number 1. Between students about celebrating religious festivals. Saad. Hi, Sarmad. Nice to see you. How are you? Sarmad. I am good. How do you do? Saad. Fine. I was not expecting you to come shopping in such a rushy market. Sarmad. Yes, you are right. Actually, I came here to search for some rope to tie my goat with. Saad. Goat? For what? As a pet? Sarmad. No, you know Eid al-Adha is near. So, we bought a goat a couple of weeks before Eid to avoid the rush and high prices. Saad. But what is needed to buy a goat? You could enjoy Eid in some other ways, visiting some parks, etc. Sarmad. You know Eid al-Adha is our religious festival. We celebrate it in remembrance of the great sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim and Hazrat Ismail. We should buy some animals to sacrifice on Eid if we can afford it. Visiting the park can be arranged at any time and any day of the whole year. Saad. Yes, you are right. I also will ask my parents to buy some animals if they can. Sarmad. That is good. Saad. Let's go inside the market. Sarmad. Let's go.